I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, REC TEC family, Chef Greg with you. Today we have a great side dish. We're cooking Veronica's cinnamon potatoes. And this is one of my grandmother's recipes that everybody just seems to love and enjoy. And I know it seems kind of weird having cinnamon with potatoes, but I guarantee you're gonna like it too. So I've got about 2.5 pounds of red B-size potatoes. We're gonna slice thin. We wanna slice these about 1/8 of an inch thick. If they're too thick, they don't cook even. And yeah, thin's the way to go. We're going to cook these on the Bullseye. We've got it set at about 400 degrees with a cast iron skillet getting good and hot. Take one onion. We will Julienne this onion. We're going to get these seasoned with some salt and pepper. Some cinnamon. It'll be about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Touch olive oil. And as Grandma said, there's no better utensil than your hands. We'll go ahead and mix these up. We'll see you at the Bullseye. All right, so our potatoes are finished. They're fantastic. They're golden brown around the edges, yet still soft. Great accompaniment to any braised lamb dish, seafood. Really hot. You might not think cinnamon and potatoes go together, but this is absolutely fantastic.